Have you ever set up a Facebook ad, you hit publish, and you think to yourself, dude, this is it. I'm about to make so much money. I'm about to blow my business up. And then you come inside 2 days later, you made no sales, you generated no leads, there's just crickets everywhere. Well, a lot of times when that happens, it's not because your product or service wasn't good. A lot of times the reason is because you told Facebook to do the wrong thing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to make Facebook like your personal genie that you can go off and tell exactly what to do to grow your business like no other way. I'm gonna break it down on the screen right in front of you so you can see everything. And if you have any questions at all, just drop them in the comments below. I'm gonna answer as many as I possibly can. So let's get right into it.
We rich from anywhere, baby.
And why can we trust that Facebook is the best ads platform? You know, how do we know that Facebook's actually gonna deliver the customers that we're looking for? Well, Facebook has the most powerful ads platform by a long shot. TikTok ads doesn't come close. YouTube ads don't come close. LinkedIn ads don't come close. Facebook knows more about its users than any other platform. It has 52,000 data points on every single profile on Facebook. So Facebook knows more about users than they know about themselves. And that's what actually makes the targeting so powerful, okay? So let's get into how can we start using this to our advantage in our business, right? By the way, if you are running ads, don't boost your posts. That's a great way to lose all your money. What you wanna do is run all your ads from the ads manager in the back end. If you don't know how to set that up, we have a 7-step blueprint. I'll drop it down in the description below. It'll show you exactly how to set this up for free. Click the link, sign up, get it. We'll show you how to do it. And when you get all set up, you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. Now, I don't want you to get overwhelmed when you see this screen. I want you to get excited when you see this screen, because every time you see this screen, you know you're about to make some money and drive some traffic into your business. So we like to keep things very, very simple. There's only 3 parts to a Facebook ad, right? There is the campaign level, there's the ad set level, and then there's the ad level. Now on the campaign level, this is what we call the what, because at this point, this is what we're telling Facebook what we want to accomplish. What's our objective? At the ad set level, this is what we call the who, the where, and the when. At this part of the campaign is where we're telling Facebook who we want to target, where those people live, and when we want our ad to start and how long we want it to run for. Okay, makes sense so far? And then we have the third and final part, which is the ads level. And this is what we call the how. How do we want to target these people? Is it going to be a video? Is it going to be an image? Is it going to be multiple images like a carousel? And this is the section where we actually set up the ad creative itself. All right. And it's that easy, guys. Like, don't let this stuff, let's go into the campaign level. Now, when you're coming in here, you want to start creating your campaign. All you do is you click this green create button right here. And then when you do, this box is going to pop up just like this. Now, don't be concerned about this right here. This is just a demo account, so I haven't set things up. Now, if you do see this on your screen, you're going to want to click this button right here and go fix whatever issue that you need to fix before you set this up. Now, this is the part that I want you guys to pay attention to right here. Choose your campaign objective. Now, this is very, very important for you to understand, because this is where Facebook is literally asking you, hey, what do you want to accomplish? And this is where you have to be very, very specific and very clear on what it is that you're trying to do. There's not a right or wrong answer to this particular situation. It's just different things for different strategies. Like, we've been running ads for almost 10 years, and I've used every single one of these objectives for different reasons. But again, you got to know what it is that you're trying to do. So if I click on awareness, you can see that awareness means Facebook's going to go out and show ads to people who are more likely to remember them, meaning it's going to be great for reach, brand awareness, video views, store location awareness, stuff like that. Never in here does it say anything about making money. Okay, so if you click on awareness and you don't make sales, don't be surprised, right? So this is great for, you know, that stuff. Now, what I will say about the awareness campaigns, they're very, very cheap. You're going to get a ton of people seeing your stuff for very, very cheap, but most likely you're not going to be making any sales from this particular campaign. Okay. The next one is traffic. Now, this one right here, I see people making this mistake all the time. When you click on traffic, you're telling Facebook, hey, I want you to go out and find people who like to click on links, and that's pretty much it, right? So you're gonna get a ton of link clicks, a ton of like landing page or website views, and you're probably not gonna see any sales. Because again, you gotta remember, people have tendencies. These are the types of people that just click on links and don't buy anything, right? I call them digital window shoppers. So again, don't be mad when you choose this traffic objective and you get a ton of traffic and you don't get any sales, all right? So that's that. The next one is engagement. Now, engagement is gonna be great for getting video views, post engagement. It says conversions, but honestly, I wouldn't take that to be true. You're not gonna get a lot of conversions here. When you choose the engagement campaign, from our experience, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a lot of people commenting and liking and sharing your posts and probably not making much sales at all, right? Now, again, I'm not saying like that's a bad thing. If your objective is to just get a bunch of comments and a bunch of social proof, then you're gonna wanna use the engagement campaign. Remember, Facebook knows everything about people. So when you choose this objective, you're just telling Facebook, hey, I want you to go out and find a bunch of people who like to comment and like and share stuff. And there are people out here that do comment, like, share all the time. And then there's some people in the world who don't comment and like, share anything. They usually just watch videos and then just keep scrolling. Then you have the next one, which is the leads objective. Now, the leads objective is great for instant forms and conversions and stuff like that. Now, this is gonna be the objective that you're gonna wanna choose if you're trying to build your list and generate leads, meaning emails, phone numbers, names, information like that. The leads objective is gonna be a really, really good objective for you because again, Facebook's now gonna go out and find people who are more likely to submit their information to get some kind of a product or some kind of a something, right? Then we have app promotion. That's if you have an app or a software you're trying to get people to download on iOS or on like Google Play or the App Store or something like that. This would be a really good objective for that. Then we have sales. Now, sales is going to be the main one that you're going to want to use for conversions, for catalog sales and stuff like that. Now, if you are an e-commerce business owner and you have like a Shopify store, this is the objective you want to use, period. If you are a coach or a consultant and you're trying to get people to purchase tickets to a live event or a virtual live event or something like that, this is also the objective you're going to want to use, but you're going to make sure you want to set up custom conversions to do that correctly. Actually, and to that point, if you guys are using the leads objective and the sales objective, it's very important that you guys have your Facebook pixel installed on whatever landing page or website that you're driving people to. Because if you don't have a pixel installed, what's going to happen is you're going to drive all this traffic and Facebook's not going to know if you made a sale. Facebook's not going to know if you generated any leads. And so then basically what that means is Facebook doesn't know if what it's doing is working or not. So it can't optimize and get better at it. It's just like basically just shooting in the dark. I actually have a student where recently, I'm not going to mention their name, but they hired an agency to run ads for them. This agency spent $60,000 on a campaign and didn't set the pixel up properly. So we went into their ad account, we seen this campaign, spent 60 grand and there was no data on the campaign at all. Literally, like what that means is they spent 60 grand and had no idea if it even made them any sales or not, if it even generated any leads at all. Can you imagine spending 60 grand and not even knowing what happened? Well, that's what happens. And this type of stuff is going down all the time. So we went in, showed them what happened, fixed it. They'll never have that problem ever again. But I'm trying to tell you guys right now that if you're going to use one of these objectives, make sure you have your pixel installed. You won't be able to make any money if you don't have a pixel installed. No pixel, no profits. That's what we say all the time. All right. So those are the main objectives. Those are all the objectives that Facebook has. So again, hopefully this has been helpful for you and helping you get some insight as to what objective you should use. And if this has been helpful for you, drop a comment below, or if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'm gonna definitely do my best to answer everybody. Like, share, subscribe, share this with a friend if you feel like it would be helpful for them as well. And we will see y'all in the next video. Peace.